In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your QuickBooks subscription. Upgrading your QuickBooks subscription is an essential task when your business requirements evolve and you need more features to manage your finances efficiently. I'll guide you step by step through this quick process, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks account, enter your login credentials, and proceed to the main dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial data and other business insights. To start the upgrading process, you'll need to navigate to the Settings area. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. This icon is your gateway to a variety of management options, so go ahead and click on it. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down menu, look for and select Subscriptions and Billing. Click on that option, and it will take you to the next page. In the Subscriptions and Billing section, you'll see all the information related to your current subscription plan. This section is crucial because it outlines what you have right now and what options are available to enhance your experience. Here is where the magic begins to happen. You'll notice an option to upgrade your subscription. Take a moment to hover over and click on Upgrade to start the upgrade process. QuickBooks will then present you with a list of available plans, along with a breakdown of what each plan offers. This is an excellent opportunity to assess your needs against the features of each plan. Take your time here to determine which plan will best serve your business. Consider factors like enhanced reporting, additional user licenses, and advanced tools, which could be vital for your operations. Once you've decided on the plan that's right for you, click on the option to proceed with the upgrade. Follow the prompts provided, which typically involve filling out necessary information or confirming changes to your billing details. Make sure you carefully review any adjustments, particularly if there are differences in billing amounts. Often, it's as simple as confirming your choice and inputting your payment information if there are changes in cost. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your QuickBooks subscription in just a few easy steps. Remember, upgrading your plan can greatly enhance the tools and tracking capabilities available to you, helping you manage your finances more effectively. By staying on top of your subscription options, you ensure that your business is always equipped with the best resources for financial management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back in for more helpful tutorials.